Hey everyone, so I flat iron my hair and I do have bangs now, but I usually wear them on the left side like I'm showing on this picture right here, but I decided to switch my part up and wear them on the right side. But once I did that and I combed my hair down, I noticed that I definitely needed to cut them on the right side as well, because if you can see, the hair is not if I lift this up, it looks okay, but the pieces that come down on top definitely need to be trimmed so that it'll look right whether I comb it on the left or to the right. So whether I wear my hair parted on the left or the right, I want the bangs to look look like bangs. So basically what I'm just going to do is cut off some extra hair to make it look fuller and more like bangs now that I have my hair parted on this side right here. I know it looks like super choppy right now. I'm definitely not a professional. I'm just a girl at home who likes to play in my hair. That's pretty much it. So it doesn't look much like nothing right now, but like once I, rewash it, flat iron it or anything like that, it'll look a lot better. This just showing how much hair that I pretty much end up cutting off, which wasn't a lot. But I just wanted to look a little bit more better than it was looking. It's looking like real crazy. Now, if I was to wear my hair just straight down, I'm just showing you how long the bangs are all the way across. I usually like to wear my bangs side swept. So either like swept to the left or swept to the right. I hardly ever wear my bangs straight down in my face. But if I were to, I just let you see how long they are without being curled or bumped in. But like I say, I like to swoop them to the side. Right now they're not acting right, but once I rewash my hair and everything and re-flat iron it, they'll definitely look better. I think I did pretty good just to be cutting on my hair at home. I don't know, by myself. But these are basically the results, and it was quick and easy. So this is the next day after I wrapped it and I combed it down. It's still a little choppy, but I think it's better than the thin pieces hanging there and looking kind of weird and strange. But all in all, I like it. I like and if I do want, it will look really probably nice if I bumped it, but right now I'm just rocking the flat iron wrap look. So, I'm pleased with it. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.